friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a table in Canva. Now as you can see here, I'm in Canva guys. I have a blank canvas here, and let's go ahead and create a table. Now the easiest and the free way how to make a table in Canva that requires no Canva Pro, nothing at all, by simple go ahead and use shape. So you want to head over to the right hand side and you want to click on elements, and let's go ahead and use the shape here. So I'm going to click on this shape here. Let me go ahead and change the color here. Let's make it something like a light gray, and I'm going to position this shape here towards the upper right hand side, and I'm going to make the sizing to something like that. Now once you make that shape, you want to go ahead and press Ctrl C, and you want to go ahead and press Ctrl V, and it's going to make a duplicate. So you make this duplicate, you adjust the line spacing to be what you want, and you want to go ahead and make another duplicate by highlighting those two, and go ahead and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V again, and then just go ahead and make the adjustment. You will see once you put them side by side that it will show you once the line spacing is equal. So as you can see right here, it's about 16 apart, and that's good because everywhere else is that. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 5. So I'm going to Ctrl C on the last one here, and just go ahead and press Ctrl V and adjust this one as well. So now I have 5 columns. Now let's go ahead and duplicate this. So let's say I'm going to duplicate this to make it below as well. So I'm going to Control and C and everything, then press Control V, and then go ahead and make it like that. So I'm going to make it, I can make it to how I want, and then I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of doing one more, I'm going to do it to highlight everything to make it copy so that I can get more columns in. So I'm going to press Control V. You see you have it there, very even. Go ahead and do the same thing here, copy everything. And depending on how much columns and rows you want, you will know how to copy it to your liking. And as you can see, I make quite a lot there guys. So if I would like to get a few more in, I can do the same thing, Control C, Control V, and there you have it. Right, so that's it guys. That's how easy it is to make a table in Canva. As you can see, it's pretty easy and pretty simple, and if you find value within this video guys, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like, hit that subscribe button to show some appreciation, and of course if you're finding value, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.